So my lily plant is growing, you guys. It was like poking out, and I wasn't sure if I did that or it's actually growing, but I kind of covered it up a little bit more with dirt because I was looking for the root or the plant. But we'll see in a few more days if it starts poking out. It's like right there, y'all. Like for real, for real. I'm so excited because when I first got this plant, it was bad. I didn't even think it was gonna make it. So I'm happy that we're here. And she is growing. I don't know if you guys can see. She's trying to, oh, there it is. See? She's trying to poke out. There she go. Okay. Because the struggle was real when I first got her. Okay, you guys, I have on this little summery outfit from Shein. Okay, outfit by Shein. Got my Nikes on. And that's it. And I got a little blue purse. So I'm gonna go head to the grocery store, get a few things. Get a few things for the girls and then get some stuff for me to juice. And I'm juicing on a budget today, so we're gonna see how much we can get for about $20-30. So we'll see. Okay, we're about to head to the grocery store. I'm gonna put my camera on the charger and we're just gonna film a little bit more. So we made it to Aldi's. I'm about to go in and see what I can get. Yeah, as far as the fruit and vegetables, I'm just gonna keep my juices really plain and simple this time because I am doing this like on a budget. So we're gonna see what I can get out of here. If I have to go somewhere else, we're gonna go somewhere else. But in the meantime, let's just okay, I have to use my iPhone 8, y'all. My battery is dead. I thought it was charging on the way up here, but I guess not. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about that. So let's go in. Excuse my quality. I'm gonna try to get you guys the best footage that I can. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot, I got a quarter. Okay, y'all, that grocery store run was intense because there was absolutely nothing that I thought was worth me getting as far as the fruit. I did get 3 pineapples because they were like $1 and some change. So yeah, that'll work for now. So let's go and see what I can get from Kroger because I am a little tired and I'm ready to rest for the day. And I have 2 meals I need to make. I got a meal prep for me and then make the girls dinner. So let's see. Okay, so I made it to Sprouts. I'm getting a little tired, so hopefully everything that I need I can get out of here for a decent price. We're gonna see. Yeah, we're gonna try this out and let's go see. Cause the girl needs some juice. Shoot. I should turn this light on. Oh yeah, that's better. We about to head over to Walmart. I'm gonna go look for me a juicer. I'm not gonna get an expensive one. I'm just gonna try to find one, a small cold press juicer. I have a juicer already and I love my juicer that I have, but I need something that's gonna compress and really get the juice out of the fruit and vegetables, because shit is high, okay? And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like the juicer, it's good, but I need it to compress, because when I use my juicer that I have now, when I use kale inside of that juicer, it was still leafy. It didn't squish it and push it together to get all the juice out, and I felt like I wasted my money. No, I didn't feel like I did waste my money. But I'm about to go to Walmart real quick. I did see some on Amazon, but I'm about to go to Walmart and see what they have. Yeah, and let's go. Okay, so I came to Walmart. I didn't see the one that I saw. I didn't see the juicer that I saw online. I saw another one. I read the reviews, and no, I'm just gonna order one off of Amazon. They say it's gonna be here by 5 o'clock, so let's keep our fingers crossed, because we know Amazon. Yeah. Oh, and I need to go to the gym and cancel my gym membership, because I'm in the business of saving my money these days. I was subscribed to a bunch of stuff, enrolled into a bunch of stuff, memberships to a bunch of stuff. Baby, no. At one point, it was too much coming out of my account, and that ain't what that is. So, yeah. So let's order the juicer.
5 minutes later.
Everybody, how something is tearing my face up, like itching my shit so bad. I've been using this hair oil that my mom got off of somebody's TikTok, and I think it's working. Like, I really do. When I put it in my head, my head start itching. I'm like, baby, is it working? Or, you know, I don't know. I guess it's just best to order it online then. I'm gonna go get dressed for the gym. While I'm at the gym, I'm only gonna spend, maybe it's like 7:30, maybe like an hour in the gym. When I go in, I'm letting them know that I'm out. I'm out. I'm pretty sure that I may have a month left because I'm canceling my membership at an odd time, but whatever. I'm gonna use what I paid for. So yeah. Let's get it going. And then y'all, something's got me itchy. I don't know if it's this hair oil that I've been using. It's like an all natural hair oil, and I've been using it on my head, and every time I use it, I'm just itching. It just makes me itch like everywhere. I don't know. I do have allergies, but still in here sleep in my room. I'm about to get ready for the gym. So, okay, y'all. So we're headed back up to Walmart. Yeah, we're headed back up to Walmart because it's the juicer that I've been seeing everywhere. I'm ready to juice my stuff so I can get it going. I am behind, and yeah. So I'm about to go back up to Walmart after going to Target, contacting Best Buy, and Best Buy, I think Best Buy sells it like $10 more. So I'm just gonna stick to what I know on this one, and yeah, I'm just gonna stick to what I know on this one. Go get the one from Walmart and call it a day. I'm tired of riding around. I've been outside, I've been in the car all day, and it's just like, yeah. So stuff from Target.